Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website DesignKNB.com. I'm on a homepage. I really like this newsletter sign up. The image is very professional. It shows right away what you're selling, which is perfect. I love your logo, looks very professional, looks very sleek, and it suits your niche, it suits the style of your furniture. The header area, I would reduce the size of the header area because it takes quite a lot of space in the above the fold area. So the above the fold area is the space on the website displayed without scrolling down, and this is on average the best converting area. So if your header takes half of the screen, it pushes majority of your website out of view, which can affect your conversion rate. So think about reducing it, perhaps moving the logo to the left and putting the navigation at the top, so it will reduce the header area. The sliding images look great, which is perfect. I would make them change after 7 seconds. They changed too fast. At the moment, they stalled completely. But okay, they changed too fast, and people don't have enough time to really see what, to read the tagline and so on. Also, make sure that the images are the same height. Because at the moment they've got different heights, like for example, this one is higher than the previous one. And because of that, the content, it kind of, as you can see, this one is shorter. It's not the best look. The featured products look really nice. I love the professional images. They switch on the hover, so this is nice. Okay, I understand that you're based in Ireland because your prices are in euros. Take me home collection. Okay, very nicely organized homepage. We've got featured product here. Okay, so people can buy from the homepage, can see different color options as well. Very user-friendly setting. Yeah, it's really, really nicely organized homepage. Make sure to add to feature another blog post here because of the empty space. Okay, so Instagram feed looks really good as well. Your social media links open in your tabs, which is perfect. When it comes to top collection, I would feature the products as the first link right after home, because it is the best setting for the conversion, because the first links get the most attention. So obviously you want the most attention for your products. You want the attention on the shop section. About Us page can go further in the menu, but make sure to feature your products as the first link after home, and rename the products in the top menu to shop. Shop is stronger call to action, and it shows people what to do. People like this kind of sense of direction on a website, which improves conversion rate, improves the sales funnel, and improves sales in the process. So make sure to rename this to shop and feature it as the second link here. The collection page again looks it kind of lacks this kind of wow factor as soon as you land, because of the header area is too big, as you can see, and then you've got title, and then you've got filter that take a lot of space. So make sure to organize it better so the products are displayed above the fold. For example, that above the fold I can see the first line of products. Also, instead of products, use more SEO friendly title like luxury furniture and so on. And also organize your products better. The first row gets the most attention. It's kind of really bland. You see, you show the 4 products look almost identical. If those for no well make a little bit more, add a little bit more variety. You need to you need to look at all of the sections of your website. If you're selling luxury home accessories, all of these sections need to reflect that. So for example, this row would be much better as the first row because it's got more this kind of visual appeal. So think about from a user perspective. I recommend running this kind of audit yourself at least once a month, once every 2 months, and see if anything needs attention, if anything needs changes. You know, in retail, detail. Retail is detail, which means all of those little elements can definitely affect sales. The product page looks great. The product titles are SEO friendly and specific, which is really, really nice. The product images are really professional. I love the details, love the colors. Very, very nicely optimized. The add to cart is above default, which is perfect. The descriptions are very user friendly, so people can see the weight of the item and obviously what's included, which is perfect. Okay, the related items also show related products, which is ideal. Your About Us page looks really good. I love the profile photo. It adds trust, it adds authority, it matches your Instagram photo. So obviously you are building personal branding, which people really connect these days. People love personal branding. People love to know who they're buying from, especially if you're a designer or if you pick the items yourself. So this is really important. I love the About Us page, and it is really, really good. The contact us page looks great. You've got professional email address. I will just hyperlink it for one-click contact and use Shopify contact page template to display the message form underneath. I would also add important trust signals such as shipping policy, refunds policy, especially that you are shipping heavy, good items. Make sure to specify how much is the shipping, how long is the shipping, whether you whether you use special couriers, especially for bigger items like tables. Whether you offer tracked shipping, it all needs to be specified, and also how people can return the item, how long is the refund policy, and whether you accept all items or perhaps you don't accept some of the products to be returned. Specify how people need to pack and return item, who pays for the shipping. Obviously that's also important because the shipping of the returned item, the shipping cost will be significant, so that also will be important for your potential customers. Without that specified, without that easy to find on your website, it can affect sales. People don't like guessing, people don't like taking risks. So don't hide this information. It can definitely improve your sales significantly. So make sure to be transparent in that area. Your SEO score is 46 out of 100, which is quite low for this particular SEO tool. Normally I see the range in 50, 60 number. So there's definitely room for improvement. Your Google snippet, it needs optimization. It feels like the meta description is just a string of keywords, which is now considered black hat SEO. So make sure to specify your meta description. Your meta title is empty, it's just a generic brand name. So make sure to optimize them. These are the listings displayed in the search results, in Google search results. So you needed to specify it. Especially that you're selling luxury furniture, luxury home decor. So make sure to stand out from other competitors. Your keyword consistency needs to be better. Think about all of the target keyword that you want to rank and use them within the content to start ranking for those keywords. Make sure to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags. That's very important for Google. And work on optimizing your URLs, make them shorter, more SEO friendly, easier to reach for Google. It will help search engines understand what's on each page and to rank it in more relevant search results. Your website speed is almost 2 seconds, so this is still okay, but this is obviously room for improvement. Normally, Shopify websites right now load in about 1 second, so this is the new norm. Aim to have this kind of faster loading website, because there's definitely areas that need attention when it comes to the loading speed. I hope you liked this website audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to speak with a Shopify expert to learn how to optimize your website better, how to optimize your Google snippets, improve your SEO, and improve your conversion rate, book a free chat. This 15-minute chat is available for everyone who got our audit, so don't miss this opportunity. It's a non-obligation chat, and you can ask Shopify expert any questions about optimization of your website. So book the chat, the details are in the email. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tips.